Qtum has surprised many investors with its insane pump in a day, and investors want to know the reason for the sudden increase. Well, we will talk about this in today's video, but first, let's talk about the price analysis. At the moment on CoinMarketCap, the live price info shows a 17.2% increase in 24 hours. The 24-hour volume is up 269%. That suggests there's a lot of trading activity which often accompanies price movements. Looking at the technical analysis, the MACD histogram is negative, which usually indicates bearish momentum, but the RSI is around 48 to 49, which is neutral. The price is above the 7-day SMA of $2.10, but below the 30-day SMA of $2.18. Maybe the recent price jump is breaking through some resistance levels. The Fibonacci retracement levels show the current price at $2.34 is above the 38.2% level of $2.33, which could be a bullish sign if it holds. There's an announcement from July 18th about Qtum planning a native stablecoin. That's a significant development because stablecoins can boost ecosystem utility and liquidity. Even though it's a month old, maybe there's renewed interest or updates around this. Also, there's a tweet from August 13th mentioning over 40,000 Qtum generated from staking last month. Another tweet from August 19th mentions the Block Explorer being down for maintenance, but they provided a backup. Maintenance can sometimes cause uncertainty, but the quick fix might have reassured investors. Plus, there's news about Qtum's MCP desktop automation tool, which could be seen as innovation, possibly driving positive sentiment. The global crypto market is up 0.83% in 24 hours, but Qtum's gain is much higher, so it's likely coin-specific factors. The fear and greed index is neutral, so overall market sentiment isn't driving this. The altcoin season index is at 42, down 23% over 30 days, so it's not a broad altcoin rally. Putting this together, the main drivers seem to be the stablecoin announcement's potential long-term impact, increased staking activity, and recent ecosystem updates. The technical breakout above the Fibonacci level and high volume support the price rise. However, the MACD is still bearish, so there might be some caution. Need to mention both bullish factors and potential risks like reliance on continued development and market conditions. This is basically the reason for the sudden increase in price. Now, let's dive into the full details of Qtum. Qtum is the main utility token and cryptocurrency of the network. Users can send and receive Qtum globally. It's used to pay network fees and execute smart contracts. You can also stake your Qtum and secure passive rewards. These rewards are also paid out in Qtum directly. This month, Qtum announced the start of an NFT test program. The goal of the pilot is to provide insight into Qtum NFTs, non-fungible tokens. The system introduces some cool features to the web wallet. For example, you can create Qtum NFTs in minutes using the wallet interface and the new QRC 1155 protocol. Adding support for NFTs is a major maneuver on the part of Qtum's development team. NFTs are one of the fastest-growing sectors in the cryptocurrency market. There were billions in NFTs bought and sold so far this year. Notably, the most expensive NFT sold to date was an art NFT created by the artist Beeple. The artwork was a digital drawing of the ex-president lying in the grass with graffiti on his body. The NFT sold for over $60 million. Qtum stays true to its DeFi roots via a community governance mechanism. This system enables token holders to vote on vital upgrades and changes to the network services and features. Users can submit proposals on these matters that go before a community vote. Projects that receive community approval automatically gain access to the Community Vault funding. Qtum is a decentralized public blockchain ecosystem and cryptocurrency. The platform introduces a host of new features including 2 new token standards, advanced smart contract customization, and NFT support. The overall goal of the project is to provide developers and enterprise clients with access to the security of Bitcoin mixed with the programmability of Ethereum. Qtum provides a reliable, decentralized alternative to fiat currencies. The network is comprised of thousands of nodes distributed across 6 continents. Notably, the platform's POS network is one of the largest in the world. Its node count puts it firmly in third place behind only Bitcoin and Ethereum. Qtum's unique technical structure enables it to accomplish its goal of combining the security of Bitcoin with the flexibility of Ethereum's smart contract. Specifically, the protocol uses the UTXO layout found in Bitcoin. It's also open source. The community has carefully vetted Qtum's smart contracts to ensure the network is secure and no funny business is going on in the background operations. Qtum helps to eliminate developer restrictions and barriers to onboarding. The platform supports programming in multiple virtual machines, including EVM and ARM-VM. Developers from platforms such as Ethereum can migrate their creations to the network and enjoy lower fees and a more responsive user experience with no need to reprogram.